Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Loving Life Freely. If you are new here, welcome. I would love to invite you to see what we're doing here. If you are returning, thank you so much. I just always like to say thank you so much for everybody who is subscribed and continues to watch, or if you're just watching these videos, that they be a blessing and a benefit to you. I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be sending into ThredUp in this particular box, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I have pulled more inventory from things in my inventory that has not been selling, or there are items where my cog was super low and I know that I can at least get my cog back maybe a little bit more. Going in through ThredUp because I really want to be bringing in some different inventory than what I brought in, like even from a year ago last fall up to like last summer. I've really revamped and changed the dynamic of my business model and what I sell, and so I'm looking to flush through some things and recoup some of that money back. I will be doing an athletic box or a sticker for that box there, and then I got a, oh my goodness, what box was it? It was another partner kit. I don't remember which box it was, but anyway, it was a nicer brand, and so I'm going to be doing that. And doing the partner kit on this one also. And I'm really excited about how the last one went. I've already done one. This will be my second over here. This will be my third. And Dan will be sending these out tomorrow when we do our packages. So I'm going to go through. I've already weighed what this totals up. I will be breaking the box down on top, bringing it down smaller so it's all fitting in nicely. But I just want to show you what all will be going in. And these are all brands that they accept for partner kits. So Alfani, this is a size small cardigan. A lot of these are new with tags in this box, or they're brand new without tags. And they're items that they take. Like this one is brand new, it just doesn't have a tag. That was a Romans top. This is a Romans top. I've had these Romans pieces in my store for quite some time. Another Romans new with tags. A Romans cardigan new with tags. A Chico's sweater. I'm going to send that in. And this is, I sent this in with one of my very first box. This is an ink jumpsuit, International Concepts. That one is new with tags. This is also a Ralph Lauren, this is a turtleneck sweater. So that is going in. A Casper sweater. This is a cardigan. I'm holding from this side here so I can get this box pulled over. This is a Bar 3 new with tag sweater that I've had that does not get any interest. This was a, I'm trying to remember what this one was. This one's like a XXX size, Ink International. It's a great spring summer top. This is Mason Jewels. These are some basically some chino pants. This is an Ink Concepts in new bag top. This is a strapless top by Mason Jewels, new with tags. I am hoping to get hopefully at least like $3 per item. This is a jumpsuit by Adriana Papel, brand new with tags in excellent condition. This is another ink with new with tags, summer top. This was, I believe, Romans, new with tags. Yes, Romans new with tags top. Okay, so now I can kind of pull this back forward. Another one of these, it is new with tags. It just doesn't have a bag. So there's that one. This one is Anna, a new approach. I got a bunch of Anna and some new with tags boxes, and they're just not getting any interest. And since they take them, I'm going to go ahead and do that. St. John's Bay. Oh, I think that, it's a sweater. I'm not sure if that's men's or women's, but I'm just going to give it to them anyway because it's just not getting any interest. Another Anna, a new approach. There's a few of these I'm putting in here. Anna, a new approach. These are great waffle knit sweaters. Another Alfani summer top. Another one of those sweaters from Ink. This is a Chico's jacket that I bought at the thrift store last summer. Has gotten absolutely no attention. It's a little spring blazer, so we're going to put that in there. This is a Karen Kane wrap dress, new with tags. So we're going to put that in there. This is Michael by Michael Kors. It's a top that I've had since I started reselling. Has gotten absolutely no interest, so that's going in. Another extra large Anna, a new approach. These are the same. These are Roman's pants. Really cute pants, but they've just gotten no attention, so those are going to move on. Okay, Zuni by Nordstrom. Very lightweight summer top. Another Roman's top, new with tags. Great pieces for spring season coming just around the corner. Okay, this one here, and this is a Chico's pair of pants that I was just trying. Because of the print, I thought that'd be kind of cute, but nobody's been interested in that. That came from the thrift store. Okay, Guess. These shorts I've had since the very beginning of my reselling. They are new with tags and bag. That is going. Those are like nice little, you know, dressy shorts. Liz Claiborne, this is a double extra large top. That's going to go. I do not sell Liz Claiborne. St. John's Bay, a nice spring top. A New Day, a waffle knit top. And I think this one, yeah, a new approach, another one, new with tags. Like I said, a big majority of these are new with tags. Most of them are new with tags. This one was Jessica London. It's a cardigan sweater, open front. It's a perfect sweater for springtime. Both of these are floral, a new approach tops. They just aren't getting any interest. Another St. John's Bay shirt. A new approach, a new approach. Both of these are tops. And then these are Romans. Yeah, and then Jessica London. All new with tags. So all of those are going in. Again, it's around just under 30 pounds. We're going to send this in. I've already got the labels, but I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be doing with this. So yeah, I again, trying to remember what the partner kit was. It was actually one of those that I was really kind of surprised because they are, oh, maybe it was Paxson. No, not Paxson. Anyway, it was a different one that I'm giving a try. And so I have Athleta, I have Gap, and then I have this other one. When I'm doing the video, I'll try to note to you in the video what the kit is. So I have 3 kits currently that are available to use. I've got 2 going out, and then probably another week or 2. I may send out 1 or 2 more because I do have more stock back there. I also have some new with tags pieces that I might try to take to buy, sell, trade. Because they are new with tags, there should be no reason why they won't take them, especially if they take any brand. So I'm going to give that a try and clean out some of that stuff again from like when I first started. So these will go in. Again, I will send you an update via video on how both of these boxes do, how much I give for them, and what I do with it. So guys, I hope this helps to see what's going in. They should take pretty much all of this. Even the sweaters, I think they'll probably take, because once, you know, spring and summer are over, then it'll be fall season. And so just in 4 or 5 months, they'll have sweaters. And I think, honestly, people buy sweaters all year round. Because not everybody's in warm temps, just like right now. Not everybody's in hot temps. So, anyway, I hope that helps to see that, guys. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Between unboxings, ThredUp things we're sending in, 90-day updates that are coming around the corner here in another month or so. I've got some 90-day updates coming up. Our weekly chat, which has been going fantastic, and other things that we do here. Somewhat sold once in a while, different things like that. So you're seeing as a reseller what's working for me, what's not, and what we do is a benefit to you. Please do subscribe, support my channel. Please give this a thumbs up, give it a bell notification, and guys, we'll see you in the next video.